There are no ways of happiness. Being happy is the only way. A warm good morning to all of you. Have a happiest day. We all need water to live. We should drink plenty of water every day. Water keeps us healthy. Today's topic is We Save Water. Chapter 11th We Save Water. We know that rain is the main source of water on the earth. Have you thought how we get this rain? Water evaporates from the earth in the form of water vapor to form clouds. Then it falls on the earth in the form of rain. This rainwater goes back into oceans, seas, rivers, and ponds. It goes up again as water vapor and forms cloud. This cycle continues. So, the process of continuous movement of water from the earth to the atmosphere and from atmosphere back to the earth is known as water cycle. Sometimes we face a shortage of drinking water, especially during summers, because of some reasons. Let us discuss some of the reasons. We face shortage of drinking water because of less rainfall. This causes water problem. We cut down forest that causes shortage of rainfall. During summers, many ponds dry up. People living in villages have to walk a very long distance to fetch water. In summers, water is in short supply in many towns and cities, and this shortage makes our life difficult. Hence, we must learn to save as much water as possible. Water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. A drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Yes, children. Now, let us discuss some of the important points that how can we save water. Water is precious, so we should not waste it. Here are the few ways of saving water. Avoid leaving the tap running while brushing teeth or washing hands. Conserving water is important because it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. Do not throw the leftover water of your water bottle. Use it to water the plants. Avoid watering plants with a pipe. It wastes a lot of water. Instead, use a bucket and a mug. We should take as much water in our glass as we can drink. We should not waste even a single drop of water. We should use a bucket and a mug while bathing. We must avoid using a shower. We should close the tap tightly after using it. We should avoid cleaning utensils and washing clothes under a running tap. We should mend leaking pipelines immediately. Water must never spill out of buckets or other containers. We must close the tap when the container is full. So, these are a few ways of saving water. I hope you will use in your home. We must collect and store as much rainwater as possible. We can collect rainwater in buckets, jars, pots, and tanks. We must collect rainwater in wide-mouth containers. Rainwater collected in this way can be used for bathing, washing, and watering plants. We can reuse water if needed. Water is usually reused when there is a shortage of water. We can reuse water in many ways. Water used for washing fruits and vegetables can be collected and reused for watering plants. Water used for washing clothes can be collected and reused for mopping the floor. Water used for washing the face and hands can be used in the toilet. Water is precious. We must not waste it. Our rivers are getting polluted with toxic waste from local factories and waste from our homes. We must stop polluting our rivers. Conserve water, conserve life. You never know the worth of water until the well runs dry. Save water and it will save you. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.